April 15th, 2023.
Okay, so we're here with Hannah today. We came 30 minutes early.
And I left work 30 minutes early to sit in my car. But it's better that we came early. It shows that we care.
Yeah. Hannah doing some community service.
We love the community.
Yeah.
Me.
Okay, ready?
I literally stepped into the shower and then I felt something under my foot and I moved my foot and it was a freaking spider.
So we are headed to the movies and we're gonna see John Wick 4 because we have like movie marathons where we watch a bunch of the movies in order. And John Wick was one of the first marathons that we had. And then they came up with the 4 and we went totally bonkers because it was perfect timing since we had already finished the 3, 4. So yeah, we're gonna go watch it.
So excited!
So we're at Chick-fil-A because apparently we're at the movie theater an hour early. But that's good because I'd rather be early than late. So we're gonna get Chick-fil-A.
She hates it when she's late.
I do hate it when I'm late. So we're at Chick-fil-A. Yummy, yummy. We're gonna eat. So we got our food. So yummy, yummy. We are at the movie theaters. So now we're gonna watch John Wick Chapter 4. Thoughts?
I give it.
Oh yeah,
I give it 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. Why?
The ending should not have happened.
I thought it was a hilarious movie. I loved it. It was really good. 10 out of 10. We got Cold Stone. Yummy. I got the coffee. Coffee lovers only. Tastes like coffee with a waffle bowl. And then what'd you get?
I got mint chocolate chip with cookies and cream.
Yummy. Both of them are my favorite. Hey, 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 hey. Keep your eyes on the road. Ah! We're gonna shave his beard that he's had for like how long? Like 2 years now? Since we've been together. Because I like him with the beard. Say your goodbyes to the camera. Go look at yourself. Go look at yourself. Oh, actually my phone's gonna die, so I'm gonna start turning it. Stay there.
I have. I don't know. I don't want to shave it.
In this tutorial, we're gonna show you how to ruin a man's confidence in 3 seconds.
No, you're holding it the wrong way.
This is history being made. Okay.
What do you
Right here, right here.
I'll shave it all off.
No! Show yourself to the camera.
It's cleaner. It's gone.
Well guys, we got the finished product.
I'm naked.
How do you feel?
Naked.
Naked and afraid?
Naked.
Well guys, that was today. We are not gonna be seeing Manny for like 2 days just because he's gonna go to do MEPS for the Marines.
Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on those notifications.